Welcome to another video with www.homepainter.co.za. Today we're in Glenhazel looking at how to paint precast boundary walls from raw concrete. As you can see, these are not previously painted, but we'll use the machine to remove the soil at the bottom of the wall. The previously painted walls need to be stripped with a high pressure machine, as you can see here. This will remove all the loose flaking material and get back to a solid foundation on which to base our repairs. On top of this, we would then put a low viscosity sealer. The low viscosity sealer is designed to penetrate, so you would put like a 12% and then followed by another sealer of about 25%. This would form a solid foundation on which to base the repair, and the paint cannot come off. We make these products ourselves, so please reach out if you would like to purchase. We also manufacture the paint to go the distance. So we're looking at 25-year guarantee if it's white, if it's off-white. It can be, let's say, Kalahari at 15 years, and to a sliding scale of the hottest color, black, sitting at around 3 to 5 years. Make it a great day and reach out should you require a quote.